You're the last one I gotta get a gift for, man. Coming. It was a pinch check. Well, it might have broke, so there's that. Huzzah! You live?
No.
Damn, it's my first time in your room.
Hey,
The art is tough.
Yeah.
Jesus. A lot of anime, man.
Shop agency.
This is for you. I want to say thank you for even the thoughts earlier today with the cake. I was also thinking about you, and I know streamers need hydration and shit. So I got you a mini fridge. Maybe put it in the corner, put some fucking water in there, some healthy shit.
I really needed this though.
Yeah.
I kept saying I gotta get one.
I think chat told me to get you this. You might have said something on stream. They were like, yo, get Reggie a fucking mini fridge, nigga.
I didn't need it because niggas, a bunch of niggas in the crib, ain't no snacks on last.
I'm already knowing,
niggas
bro.